Welcome to 389 Hollingsworth here in Lexington, South Carolina. My name is Janet Loper, here with Landon Loper, and we are Next Gen Real Estate. We're here to bring this great new listing. It is an all-brick home featuring 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, great open floor plan concept, and a 2-car garage.
And one of the coolest things about it is happens to be where it's located. It's located extremely close to Lexington High School, plus Lowe's Foods grocery store, and of course my favorite, we are not far at all from the beautiful Lake Murray here in Lexington.
But let's just get started. You're gonna notice a lot of beautiful detailed molding, the flooring, but again, that great open concept. So let's just get started.
Head on inside.
Well, thank you for joining us on this home here today. It's absolutely beautiful, from all that beautiful molding, the flooring, and including this really cool open concept, which really puts a lot of natural light through the home.
That's right, and then this home is really cool, not only because, like we were saying, with the location and where it is here near the lake and all the other foods, restaurants, grocery stores, it's a great thing about it, but being all brick as well. Make sure you go ahead and give us a call so you don't miss out on this perfect home here in Lexington. We look forward to speaking with you. Thank you.
Thank you.